we must also know and realize that as food prices come down, huyu mwananchi wa kawaida, hata chakula, bei ya chakula ishuke chini leo hii rais, mwananchi bila kupata nafasi ya kazi hata kuwa na uwezo na mapato ya kununua ile chakula. And you cannot have an opportunity ya kupata mapato ya kununua chakula if we are also disrupting our economy na mambo ya maandamano. In conclusion, Your Excellency, I want to encourage you, please focus on what is important to these people who are gathered here and millions of other Kenyans. Focus on our economy that was destroyed in a few months under the handshake regime, Your Excellency. Don't focus on what leaders are asking you to focus on. Nimesikia wakati nimesikiza Onyonka, nimesikia even the leadership in Kisii has moved beyond the elections. Therefore, anybody taking us back to the election is taking our country back.